Finish the raw edges of your fabric. So this is the sewing pattern. You'll practically cut up to here and then straight in here. That's this part. And this is the sleeve, which will then serve as seam allowance. What you have to remember, this is the original pattern without seam allowance, thus it looks different to the Sister Mag Patterns download file. Pin the zipper right sides together to one side, making sure the top edge of the zipper coil aligns with the back neckline edge. We recommend sewing it in place with a straight stitch in the middle of the zipper band. Change to an invisible zipper foot. Open the zipper. Stitch as close to the coil as possible. The invisible zipper foot will push open the coil so you can stitch in the ditch. Close the zipper. Iron the seam and align the other side of the zipper with the second back piece. Sew in place. Open the zipper. Using the invisible zipper foot, sew as close to the coil as possible. Iron well. Fold up the zipper end and close the back seam up to the zipper. Use a standard zipper foot for this. Press seam allowances apart and iron well.